Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cyber risk management framework with RSA, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the purpose of a cyber risk management framework. Identify your organization's specific cyber risks. Gather relevant data on current cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities. Define the scope of your framework by determining which assets to include. Select the RSA tool that best suits your organization's needs. Install and configure the RSA software according to your organization's IT policies. Access the risk management module within the RSA application. Initiate a new risk assessment project. Add identified assets to the project. Categorize each asset based on its importance and sensitivity. Evaluate the potential threats associated with each asset. Assess the vulnerabilities that could affect each asset. Estimate the impact of each threat on your organization's operations. Calculate the likelihood of each threat occurring. Combine the impact and likelihood assessments to determine overall risk levels. Develop mitigation strategies for high-risk assets. Document your findings and strategies within the RSA framework. Set up a review schedule to assess and update the framework regularly. Train relevant staff on using the framework effectively. Monitor the implementation of risk management strategies continuously. Adjust the framework as new risks emerge and organizational priorities change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.